Hello and welcome to your new video on this blog. I am Szabi from CodeRevolution. Today I will teach you how to get traffic to your autoblog. So if you have an automatic blog, an autopilot, this video will teach you how to get traffic to it. And I will also show a concrete example of one of my autoblogs that gets traffic and I don't put my finger on it. I haven't touched and haven't added content to it since it was created back in 2017. It is 2 years old now. So I will show you this later on in this video. But first, let me tell you what an autoblog is. If you don't know what this is, an autoblog is a WordPress blog or another CMS blog that creates content on its own, and you don't need to add content to it at all. It will automatically import content and publicize the content on its own. The best plugins for this are Newsomatic, which imports news posts using the News API, YouTubeomatic, which imports YouTube videos, and FBomatic, which also imports Facebook posts but can also post to Facebook automatically. So so these free plugins are the basics of autoblogs. Eventually, search engine giants like Google will begin to evolve and will begin to detect these autoblogs, but we can find ways to create niche sites or to create specific sites that will rank high even if they are autoblogs. Also, if we publicize our content on social networks, then it will gain more and more traffic over time. So let me put this step by step, and I will create a step-by-step guide for this. Firstly, I want to tell you that autoblogging is today more powerful than ever, because today we have many plugins and many technologies that can be used to create our autoblogs. So back in the day, these were not available, but today we have plenty of technology that we can use that will create our autoblog successfully. So it is a good thing that it is less competition in the autoblogging landscape, because Google's efforts are against it. So people are not willing to enter the autoblogging landscape so easily. So it is less competition, which is good. Also, the content aggregator plugins are getting better and better. Also, Newsomatic supports automatic word spinning and automatic translation of content and many other technologies that will make your content unique. And you can also optimize your website afterwards for SEO and other things. I will show you in a minute a concrete example. Stay with me. So there are multiple approaches. The first approach is to use Newsomatic and import latest news content to your blog. This is the easiest approach. Just install Newsomatic, configure it, and it will import content. The other easy approach is you install YouTubeomatic and simply import YouTube videos to your blog that are interesting or in a separate niche, and also use FBomatic to publish automatically to Facebook. So like this, you can create websites like niche websites, job boards. If you use Facebook to import content from them, you can aggregate latest news sites. You can feature niche posts or links. You can build a link directory, and also you can make many cool things. So let me show you my blog. I won't disclose its address. I have censored it, but this is it. This is my auto blog. So let we check what we have here. So we have all-in-one SEO plugin. This is a free plugin that will uh, make your website optimized for SEO. And here are coming the WordPress plugins that provide the content. DMOmatic for daily motion. I import daily motion videos on this blog. FBOmatic to post automatically to the Facebook fan page that this blog is assigned to. So this blog has a Facebook fan page, and each post that this blog generates or is pushed to the Facebook page here. So there are many visitors to the Facebook page, and the visitors are clicking through and coming to this site. Instamatic, the same for Instagram. Pinterest, a pin is created for each new post on this blog on Pinterest, and Pinterest is providing also great traffic. Tweetomatic, same for Twitter. So all these are social networks that this site has a profile. So I created a separate profile for this site on Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and I automatically push content each time a new post is generated here. Also on Vimeo, I import content from Vimeo using the Vimeomatic plugin, and YouTubeomatic also generates content for this blog. And also a caching plugin to make things faster for users. Okay, so keep in mind that you should optimize for SEO. Also, a free plugin can be used for this. And import video posts with YouTubeomatic, DMOmatic, and Vimeomatic. So these free plugins will import video posts for your blog, and afterwards publish automatically content to Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. So import content and push to social networks. This is the main strategy of this blog, and it actually works. So let me show you how the blog evolved over time. So it was created in 2017 August, and since then it slightly grew, and overall it maintained its traffic. So lately it got a bit traffic drop. However, I suspect that it will climb back up after I make some tweaks to the website. So as you can see, the traffic grew and maintained, and it will grow over time as I foresee it. So keep in mind that this is only one single auto blog. So you get around 1000 visitors at max for this auto blog in its prime time, and 1000 per auto blog. And keep in mind that you can have as many auto blogs as you wish, and each will generate revenue for these uh, for the generated traffic. So let us check that organic search is the main source of traffic, and social traffic is only fourth place. Organic traffic is the best. Also, Google is uh, pushing visitors to this blog heavily. So yeah, auto blogging works, and if it is configured correctly, and if you socialize the blog, then it will work. So keep in mind, you need to push content to social networks that the blog generates and import video posts or news posts. Don't mix these two. Keep blogs separate. If you create news blog, then use Newsomatic. If you create video blog, then create YouTubeomatic. And create only niche content. So select a niche content like tutorial videos about golf or anything you wish. So the limits are endless here. So import videos on this subject, automatically push to social networks, and also you can spread the word about the blog also manually using Quora or other forums like Reddit and similar. So yeah, but these are optional methods. The main methods to drive traffic to autoblogs are these as I described it. Okay, so this is all for now. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, have a great day. Bye bye.